RXRX stock. Is this the right time to buy? I'm going to answer everything around that in this short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. I'm seeing Recursion Pharmaceuticals just melting down, right? And nothing unusual here. I mean, most of the tickers on my watch list right now are just doing exactly that. Context, I've done 36,000 videos, I've spent 5 figures on courses and mentors, and I've seen what's working for me and what's not, and I have all the proof on my YouTube channel. But regarding RXRX, that demand zone, that gap more so didn't hold. And now we have this, which is the true demand. And this waiting sign, it's still going to sit there because that's exactly still what I'm doing. I'm still waiting for my rules. And yeah, unless I see those rules, then guess what? I'm not going to take up any positions for longs or buys or calls, right? So make sure to stay tuned. And if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, just click the first link in the description. That's a free newsletter, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye and enjoy.